There's kind of animals over there sitting down in the porch. It's kind of scary. No, parang gusto kong ano ba to eh? Kasi Bisaya kasi talaga ako eh. Mahirap naman magkalisod. Good morning, guys. I just came down. My husband texted me last 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't even notice that he texted me. It's about outside the house. He detects some motion from the camera doorbell. Let me check outside. Because when I check the recorded in the camera, there is somebody in there. Look at that, the doorbell. It's very foggy, so they look. You can even see the neighbors. Recently activities. It's need to be. Look. I don't know. You can see it's a dark. It's in the night time. Did you see that thing over there? Did you see that? That's an animal. That's an animal. So it's recorded what's happening outside when if there's a if it's the take motion, it's going to record. And there's kind of animals over there sitting down in the porch. It's kind of scary. And yeah, so freaking scary, guys. I'm so nervous. Like 6 o'clock in the morning, I saw the text. It said, if you went outside 4 o'clock in the morning, and what I'm gonna do outside? Like, seriously, what I'm gonna do outside 4 o'clock in the morning? So I check up if there's a recording thing. There's freaking animals. They're sitting down.
Come in, I could seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer.
Okay, so if we transfer, you think it's gonna be better? I'm having a problem with my phone, the telephone here. I've been trying to call my family since, like 30 minutes or an hour already. And I can't call them. There's something happening in this one. I'm going upstairs to charge my battery of my camera, guys. And put the other one because it's already low bat. Having problem. Look, there's no dial tone, look. Is that a dial tone? No. It's dial tone is like toot 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 toot. Charge this right here. Yeah. That's some of my jewelry. Anyway. And this eye is hurting already. I hope it won't turn like my husband. That is like, this is the laundry basket. I have to start doing my clothes, take it out and hang it. Last night I went to bed very late because like 12 o'clock. I mean, I'm already lying down, but I've been watching this YouTube thing. I've been watching them, the wolf man and the bear man, like the man that living with a bear in the forest. There's a bear sanctuary in Alaska. and he just stay there. You guys should watch it. You guys go to YouTube, watch it. You're already in YouTube. Go watch it. It's like a wolf man, a man with a wolf, you know, spending time with the wolf, and the man that living with a bear, the black big thing, and he's living with it. He always stay there for 6 months. Every 6 months he visit his cabin, and he has a lot of bear from little one till they grow up. They know him, but it's kind of freaky and it's kind of scary. And there is also, oh my god, this is more dangerous. I mean, they're all dangerous, but this one, a crocodile, big, huge crocodile, the best friend of a man in Costa Rica. They're best friends since 20 years. He saved that little crocodile from dying, and the crocodile just kept going. The crocodile is growing, and he taking care of that crocodile for a long time until it grow. The country said that you have to let go the crocodile. It's so dangerous. So he let go the crocodile, and he let go the crocodile put somewhere. Early in the morning when he went out in his porch, the crocodile is there waiting for him. Happened 3 or twice that he tried to let go the crocodile, and the crocodile just came back home to where he belongs. So the owner made a big lake for the two of them to go swimming all over it. To go swimming. So the man can swim with the crocodile and being a best friend of the crocodile. And he trusts that man, but he doesn't trust anybody, I see. But it's so scary, and I'm so amazed that how these animals, like especially the crocodile, all people in the world think the crocodile doesn't have feeling. The instinct is like eat you, eat. No feelings, no love, nothing, no affection. But amazing that this crocodile learned to love this man, and you know, they both love each other. Hold on. Hello? Yeah, it doesn't work. I tried to call my family and it won't work. And I tried to call myself, doesn't work. I tried to call you, doesn't work. No, nothing. You can't make a phone call. Do you have to come here, or do you check online only? I love you. Bye-bye. Bye. So, that's it, guys. There's a lot more tweets from Sharon to Judy. It's kind of very exciting. I can't wait for them to see each other. Oh my goodness.
Couch. JB?
I've been talking to my family while I'm doing second coat. I'm done with there. It's nice talking to my fambam in the Philippines. Ay, grabe. Grabe. Very hot up here. Grabing init. Grabe ang init, guys. I'm gonna turn the air conditioning up here. It's ridiculously hot. Hot. You know, parang merong hangin na naman dito. Kasi super hot. What do I need here? I think, yeah, because I tried to put all the paint up here already, but I don't know what else I need. I kinda like too loud. I kinda parang tinatamad ako, guys. I will try to speak this Tagalog because I'm not really good talking Tagalog.
What?
I don't know because I'm too freaking Bisaya, aray. Yeah, I have to learn. I mean, you know, I understand Tagalog. I can speak Tagalog, but sometimes I have to like think, what is that? What is the Tagalog of this? What is the Tagalog of that? So, anyway, I'm just dinidipros ko lang tong fish. Parang may ulam ako lunchtime, and it's already 11 o'clock, 10:51. I've been looking sa backyard para no parang gusto kong gusto kong ano ba to guys, you guys help me kasi Bisaya kasi talaga ako mahirap naman magkalisod mahirap magkalisod guys. Tapos na ako dito, umpisahan ko naman dun sa taas para isang kwarto na din, isang kwarto na lang ang kulang at saka isang kwarto ang kulang at saka sa dito sa walk-in closet. Kasi malaki yung walk-in closet and it's kind of dirty, the wall, and need to be painted. And so, look, it's kind of dirty. It's like everywhere. Let me show you guys. Did you see that? The wall is dirty. I'm just going to listen music that I just keep going. I'm frying the bangos, guys. I like to fry it because it's quicker for me, and also I notice also that, how do you call that? I notice also that if I bake it, I think I don't do it right because it's kind of white. I want it too crispy. I like it crispy hard. Look what happened to the banana, guys. My husband put the banana over there. I almost forget. I just saw it now again. He put it over there. It's ugly.
Look into my eyes, nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away.
I just have my lunch. So good with that fish. I can eat fish every day, every hour, every minute of my life. It's kind of hot in here. I even turned the air conditioning here, still hot. Iwan ko ba kung bakit type kita? You still remember that song, guys? Di ka naman guwapo, kahit malabo ang mga mata mo. Hindi yun. That's not the lyrics. Anyway, Jolina Magdangal, diba? At saka si Marvin Agustin? Marvin Agustin, yeah. I think that was Marvin and Joleno. I have another laundry. It's my thing. I forgot to wash it. It's been packed and then I can tell it's been wore because there's lipstick. Lipstick. Hi guys, good evening. But look, it's still nice outside and it's 7:15 already in the evening. I don't have dinner yet. I was drinking too. I was drinking the mango. I don't like the mango thing flavor that my husband, I will show the video here. And then I changed it to margarita and it's done. And also I cleaned up all the thing, the one from the other house. I wash it and yeah, so it's ready for to store tomorrow morning, because for sure tomorrow I hope you guys will get dry. And this one I'm still looking where I'm going to put it. Can you tell, guys? I don't know if you can see, but that brown thing, it's a deer. Hi guys, good evening. I am just lying down here waiting for my husband. He called me again. He's cooking quick over there. And he said he's heading here after. But I don't really want to feel going tonight. I want to go home tomorrow. But I can do nothing because tonight only is his available and he's working tomorrow. So anyway guys, I will end this vlog now, and that's really it. I'm still watching show. I'm lying down here. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next vlog guys. Bye. Thank you guys so much. Bye.